Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a 6-ingredient chicken and rice casserole on my Ninja Foodi with smart lid. Alright, I'm starting out here with my Ninja Foodi with the smart lid. And if you don't have a Ninja Foodi with smart lid, you can do this in a pressure cooker. Regular pressure cooker is fine. This is just a pressure cooker with the air fryer on the top. And I have 6 ingredients, and it's a true 6 ingredients. The only thing I'm not counting as an ingredient is water. But I'm even counting my spice as an ingredient, because I believe that's an ingredient, wouldn't you say? So now I'm going to start by adding 8 ounces of brown rice, and this is just regular raw rice. It's not instant or quick cook or none of that. And to that I'm going to add in a can of cream of celery soup. This here is 10.5 ounces. And this is a dump and go meal, guys. It's all one pot. No fuss or muss. Alright, I'm going to add in one 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. And that came out nice. I'm going to add in, I'm using my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic mixture. They sell this at Walmart. Everybody has a Walmart. Let me get a spoon and stir that around a little bit. Just blend that around in there a little bit, the rice and the soup mixes. Now I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of my seasoning. About a teaspoon. And I'm also going to add in just a little bit of salt. About a teaspoon. Now I'm going to take this soup can and I'm going to fill this up 1.5 times with water. And I'm going to add that into the pot. Alright, my hand to wipe with some paper towel. I'm going to give this a quick stir now. I guess I could have waited till I put the water in to give it a stir. And that rice will absorb this water in here, not to worry about that. Now I have 3 chicken breasts. Let me grab a fork. I apologize for not being prepared. I'm going to put these, ooh, that one went in awful abrupt. I'm going to put these in on top of the soup mix. And I'm going to put a little bit of my sea salt and black pepper garlic mixture on top of the chicken. Alright, I'm going to close my lid down. Alright, I'm going to turn on my Ninja Foodi. And I'm going to slide the selector over to the pressure setting, pressure cooker. It's set on high. Now I'm going to turn my time up to 22 minutes. And I'm going to press the start button. Now this is going to come up to pressure. It's going to pressure cook for 22 minutes. And then we're going to do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, this is done. I did a quick release of the pressure. Now I'm going to take the chicken out and slice it up. And when I stir that rice, that will absorb that liquid in there. I went ahead and I garnished it with a little bit of fresh parsley for some color and a little flavor. I'm going to start by trying a little bit of this rice. Nice and creamy. Well seasoned. Boy, that tastes good. A little bit of this chicken. Chicken's moist. Tender. Picked up all that delicious seasoning that I added in there. Guys, that's really quick, really easy. Only 6 ingredients. All one pot. You can't beat it. Alright, there you have it. 6-ingredient chicken and rice casserole in the Ninja Foodi with smart lid. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.